Welcome guys, I'm back with another video. The aim for today's video is to print the perimeter of rectangle in Python. So let's start the video. So first we will write length is equals to input in bracket and inverted commas, enter the distance. Now we will write breadth is equals to input in brackets and inverted commas, enter the breadth. Now in the third line we will write perimeter is equals to 2 into float length in brackets plus float breadth in brackets. Now in the last line we will write print in brackets and inverted commas perimeter of rectangle in semicolon, and after a space after comma we will write perimeter when bracket closed.
Here we go.
Now let's see the output of the program. The length is 98 and the breadth is 78. The perimeter of the rectangle is 274.0.